In this video, I will show you how to get transcript from YouTube video. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get a transcript from a YouTube video, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the video you want to get a transcript from. So what I'm going to do is just come across to my YouTube channel and I'm going to just use one of my videos as an example. So let's go ahead and click onto this one. If there is an ad playing at the start of the video, you want to make sure that the ad has finished and that you're on the actual video itself. And here we are, as you can see on my video. So once you've got the video loaded through, what you want to do is come down and underneath you're going to see the video description. Now on the video description, you're going to see a more link. So what you want to do is give that a click to expand the description and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the description. At the bottom of the description, you're going to see an option for transcript, and all you need to do is click the show transcript button. So once you've done that, the transcript is going to appear on the right hand side. What you can then do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots and choose whether to toggle the timestamps on or off, just like so. So that is how to get transcript from YouTube video. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.